Randy drove the first third of his trip on a gravel road, the next 20 miles on pavement, and the remaining 1/5 on a dirt road. In miles, how long was Randy's trip? So I'm going to break this down into 3 parts. Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3. So the first third of his trip, I'm going to say, so he goes 1/3 of the trip in the first part. He goes 20 miles in the second part. I don't know what fraction that is. And he goes 1/5 in the third part. I'm going to break, I want these to have a common denominator. This is the same thing as 5/15, and this is 3/15. If there are only 3 parts to the trip, this has got to be the whole trip minus 5/15 minus 3/15. So this has got to be, it's 1 minus 8/15, which is 7/15. So that middle pavement part was 7/15 of the trip, and we know he traveled 20 miles during that time. So I'm going to use that information. So let's say x equals the length of the whole trip. It's then going to be true that 7/15 of the whole trip is equal to 20. So x is equal to 15/7 times 20. X is going to be equal to 300/7. So therefore, in miles, Randy's trip was 300/7 miles, choice E.